this, and I think this, in many ways, a good portion of the book explodes some myths. You know, you would hear periodically that the Emancipation Proclamation was a matter of political expediency, and you've talked about the fact that from his childhood he believed that. But was he also, I think you used the term, a racial egalitarian? And you've talked about the fact that from his childhood he believed that. But was he also, I think you used the term, a racial egalitarian, right, in terms of race relations?
No, he was not John Lewis or Martin Luther King in a stovepipe hat and a black Brooks Brothers suit. He was not. I want to be very clear about that. He was anti-slavery, but was not a forward-leaning abolitionist as he came to the White House. One of the most frustrating things that's frustrating about Lincoln and immensely frustrating about a lot of folks who look like me.
Es una mentirosa.
Las autoridades civiles han emitido una prueba requerida mensualmente para todo de New Jersey. En vigor hasta febrero 21, 2:51 am Eastern Standard Time.
¿Era un interés por esta niña?
Realmente no, doctora.
¿Y tú viste si ella trataba de seducirlo a él?
En ocasiones.
Van a estar prohibidas.
Gracias por salvar a mi hermana.
No me des las gracias, Renata. Con un saludo y con una sonrisa. Me conformo.
But not gaudy. Please don't. You said this was for me, didn't you?
If you stop by.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of New Jersey beginning at 12:51 a.m. and ending at 2:51 a.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Stop by the church sometime. Oh, something may be said to help you on your way. If you stop by the church sometime, 'tis a glorious church without spot or wrinkle, washed in the blood of the Lamb. Something may
Their bells resonate all together, creating a mix-up rhythm in a noisy but festive atmosphere. The spectacular Dolomiti Lucane are the stage curtains to an abandoned hamlet that tells the story of Count.
We went around to all of the distilleries that were on the trail currently. I remember it was at Woodford Reserve. We were the only ones on the tour because it was a downtime. And the tour guide found out that I was interested in distilling, and he took us on like a backdoor tour of everything and really went in depth with all of the behind the scenes aspects of it. And that's when I realized that making bourbon wasn't just a sign.
Push the stop against, just like that, yeah. Now as we push it in, I'm holding this with my hand, but I'm also letting it go, still keeping tension on it so that this part of the screen gets tight. Okay, so now it's ready to go in. I'm gonna push this into the dado. Now that that's in, I'll put one screw right here. Now, I'm going to work my way down. Jeff's going to start at the top, and we're going to just pull it across, adding a little more tension and forcing my stop into the rabbet.
Southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, west central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwest New Jersey, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Edinburgh, or 7 miles east of Trenton, moving east at 45 miles in New Jersey between mile marker 64 and 68. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, and Monmouth. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast located over Twin Rivers, or 13 miles east of Trenton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hightown, Cranberry, Roosevelt, Twin Rivers, and Windsor. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 8A. Interstate 195 in New Jersey near mile marker 12. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, and Monmouth. Here is the official central Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 4:30 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manalapan for 16 miles south of New Brunswick, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof is possible. Locations impacted include Manalapan, Roosevelt, Yorktown, West Freehold, and Englishtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the lower Delaware. Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, east central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Hope, or 13 miles northwest of Trenton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Ewing, Princeton, Jamesburg, Highttown, Cranberry, Pennington, New Hope, Yardley, Hopewell, Allentown, Rocky Hill, Stockton, Washington Crossing, Skillman, Princeton Meadows, Windsor, Kingston, Dayton, and Plainsboro Center. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 9. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 8. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 62 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania. Here is the regional. Coastal waters from Little Egg inlet, New Jersey to Cape St. Lopen, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles until 3:45 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., showers with isolated thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles northeast of Seabreeze to 12 nautical miles southwest of Woodland Beach, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations intended include Atlantic City, Buoy 4 FB, Buoy 3 FB, East Point, Miami Light, Great Egg Reef, Brandywine Show Light, Ocean City Reef, The Lump, 28-mile wreck, Brigantine, Cross Ledge Light, Atlantic City Reef, 14-foot Bag Light, Great Egg Inlet, Bowers Beach, Cape May Point, and Ship John Show Light. At 2 p.m.